Checkmate. This guy resigns. Checkmate. Checkmate. Oh my god. I'm going to create an AI bot to play chess for me. Why? Because I'm terrible at chess. I mean, I think I'm rated around 600 on chess.com, and if you know anything about chess ratings, it's bad. Really bad. And while playing one day, I thought, wait, I can program things. Why don't I just create a chess bot to automatically play for me? Now, is this cheating and against the rules? Probably. Is that going to stop me? Absolutely not. And with that being said, let's get started making this AI. Okay, so I'm going to get started by creating a basic graphic interface, which will be our main controller for starting and stopping the bot from playing. That's what I'm talking about. Next, let's get started with our first little bot action and create a button that'll open up a new Chrome browser and go straight to chess.com. Okay, this should work if I'm not mistaken. Let's click. All right, yes. Yes, perfect. The plan is when a new Chrome browser is opened up, you can log into your account and start a new game, or just play a computer bot here. Then click a button which will start the Chess AI bot and it'll automatically start making the best possible moves for you and you'll win the game. But here comes the challenge of this video. How does the bot know the positions of the pieces on my screen, and how does it know which one to move? So the way we're gonna do this is to keep a virtual copy of the chessboard in my code. When we play on the real chessboard, we collect info on the latest moves on both sides. These updated moves are then copied over to our virtual board, which we then feed into the Chess AI engine called Stockfish. Once we feed it the chessboard with all the moves, it'll then spit out what it thinks is the best possible move to make from that position. With this calculated move, I will then have to code my bot to select the correct piece and move it to the right position on the board. And then it's pretty much rinse and repeat until you win. Easy. Alright, so I'll start off with an example. So I plugged in the Stockfish engine into my code, and when I give it the default starting position of a chessboard manually and click run bot, it tells me this: E2, E4. What the hell is that? What does that mean? For those of you who don't play chess, basically these are coordinates on the board. So E2 is this square. So the best move for white in this position is to move the pawn from E2 to E4. Simple. So for now, I'm going to load up a game against a computer bot called Coach Danny. Remember that name, because he's going to be retiring as a coach after I destroy his whole career. Now, whenever Danny or I make a move, it's recorded in this little section here. By opening up the HTML of the page, you can see that each board move in a game will have a little piece of data called data_ply, which I think stands for data play. And for each move, this will be a unique value. So the first move made will have a value of 1, the second move will have a value of 2, and so on. In my code, I can write a little function which fetches all the data_ply elements, which are all the moves made. And with that, I can update the virtual chessboard in my code and then feed it into the Stockfish AI and get the best result. Okay, I've just implemented it and let's give this a try. If I've done it correctly, if I click run bot, it should display the next best move. All right, E2, E4. That's a good start. Let's do that. Let's wait for its response. Okay, let's click run bot again. D2, D4. So move this pawn to D4. Perfect. The best move displays correctly on every run bot click. Now, the next challenge is to automate the moves, so I don't have to move the pieces myself. All I have to do is find the position of the board piece to move relative to the top left corner of my screen. That's easy, right? Right? Yeah, I thought so too. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Let's hit run bot and all right. That's not quite right there, buddy. What is that? D4 to D5? That's you're a few squares off.
Many hours later.
No way. This is the issue? My display scaling? Are you kidding me? The scaling issue is fixed. Please work. Oh, yes! Yes! It's working! Alright, let's watch it go. Let's watch it move. Got some quick moves here. Alright, pawn already done. Oh my god, we got the queen already. Alright, keep going. This is looking good. Damn, this is so fast. I don't even know what's going on. Alright, we take. We're up 7 already. Take again. Alright. Takes back. Check. Take. Damn, taking piece after piece. Takes another knight. Okay. Check. And mate. Oh my god, checkmate. Sheesh. That's kind of scary, you know. But you know, what fun is beating a computer bot? Let's get an actual person on the other end to torture with our brand new creation. Okay everyone, finally, the moment is here. The moment we've all been waiting for. To actually test this AI against a real online player. Let's click play online and let's begin. What is your chess skill level? I'd say I'm new to chess. I'm a beginner. You know, I'm probably going to lose. Let's do 1 minute bullet games to really abuse the speed of the AI. Let's click play and drag in the GUI and let's begin. All right, we're starting off as white. Let's click run bot and let's go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we're quick with it. All right, we're pushing up that side, I see. Oh, he's taking a pause. All right, first take. Trade some pawns. What's next? Ooh. Oh, he's taking his time to think, but we're quick. He's thinking. All right, we trade. Oh, okay. We're up. Damn, okay, wait. Slow down, man. All right, we've traded some pieces. We're equal, though. Oh, that ain't good. You just lost your queen. Check. Damn, I don't even know what's going on. Keep going, though. Checkmate. Holy shit. That's amazing. That's incredible. Wow. Damn, that AI is really good. Oh, maybe I should use that in rated games. No, just kidding. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.